What is up, everybody? My name is Adam and welcome back to Street Brawlers Tuner. Today, as you can tell by the video, we are bringing the Asuna out of hibernation and giving it the love it deserves before this season when I take it out again. I got her here warming up, don't worry. We primed the oil and everything as normal. So she's mint, she's running really nicely. As you can see, she's absolutely filthy. In the time I've owned this car, it's never been clay barred, never been really waxed, never got a proper detail, but that's gonna change now. My buddy Andrew is coming over and he's gonna give me some help. We got really big plays coming for this car aesthetically, and the reason for this rush of aesthetic mods is because the all Japanese classic show is coming up soon, and we're gonna try and win some placements in that. We're gonna try and win an award, so we need to get this thing looking mint. It can't look like a big turd next to everything else, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm no professional, so I'm not gonna go in depth on how to do everything like the clay barring and stuff. I'm just simply gonna film the process and, you know, like what is changing on the car so you guys can see it before and after. And if you want to know how, I suggest go watching another YouTuber who actually knows what they're talking about. But for now, we're gonna see exactly what is happening and I'll show you the products we're using. Again, just not how to use them because I don't even know how to use them. She's about to get mint, boys. So the first half is done, and as you can see, did quite a great job. Andrew's like a wizard with this shit. Look how much nicer it looks. Dang. All right, now the polish is done. Not sure if the camera can see it, but the paint literally looks wet. I think it is picking it up though. Dude. Looks like a brand new body panel, and the rest of it's just like junk. As retro as these vinyl graphics are, they're starting to fade and peel everywhere, so they look like shit. Just bought this off Amazon. It's a sticker remover. We're gonna test it out now. Hopefully it works well and doesn't rip off all the old paint. Okay, first test of this thing actually works pretty well. You need to apply decent pressure. But sticker's coming off, paint underneath looks good. We're just gonna do this for the rest of it here. I'll keep the Sunfire just for kicks, but all this has got to go for the new livery. All right, so it's been a couple of days now. I've been constantly going at this thing with the sticker remover to remove all those stickers. I also took a break from removing stickers and installed the quick release, which you can see in the previous video. Link it right there. It's looking pretty good now. As you can see, nice and clean on the bottom there. We took some paint off here where it was a little rusty, but whatever, it's just gonna get wrap over it anyways, not a big deal. So now we're just gonna wrap this first side so I can go ahead and get the stickers ordered. I'm gonna have some Japanese right there that says Street Brawlers, so I need to get a measurement for that first. The vivid black gloss wrap is gonna go on now. We're starting to mask it up now. It's kind of difficult because the body line here curves, but we're gonna use this as the baseline. Got the tape here and we've measured 7 inches from each point, and it looks pretty straight now, which is great. Then we can put the knifeless tape on. Knifeless tape is being applied right on the top, so only pressing the top half of the knifeless tape in so we can rip off the masking tape nice and slowly. Okay, so the first bit of knifeless tape is laid down now. We just created this angle here, which is going to be the 3 stripes across the hood. Everyone after is going to follow the same angle, so that was pretty important. As you can see, it's nice and perfectly along the line of this tail light all the way down. So we're getting ready for wrap. First little bit on. Try and use this knife to rip it off now. Okay, ready? Alright, so progress has been made. As you can see, we now have quite a few panels wrapped in black. It's going well. The Vivid wrap is a lot thicker than 3M or Avery, so it's a little harder to put on. Like, it doesn't go into all the grooves as easily as the other two would. But this stuff's half the price. It also scratches pretty easily, so you gotta keep that in mind. But for half the price, I don't really care. And you know, this car is not perfect. It's been a while since the last update, but all that wrap is on. Currently masking off the hood right now. We got Marcus playing some new mobile game, doing really intense tuning out here. How's it going?
Angry Birds.
So this looks like a lot of stripes, but it'll actually equate to just 3 black ones that hopefully cover this weird overspray that the previous owner had. So we're gonna get that over that. This side's coming along too. Big progress, big progress. So I've been continuing this wrap process, and Marcus has been having fun.
We're just doing a couple interior mods here, so it's all custom. Done green accents. A lot of these are actually performance enhancing mods. You don't need a rear view mirror when you're racing, obviously. So we block that out. It's like a horse blinder. It keeps you straight forward. This here, green line, aligns you with the center. You want to be going straight when this thing is in the middle. These are just JDM stripes.
Oh.
The clutch pedal is much more ergonomic now that I've covered it with a performance enhancing tape.
Well, you waste my time. Yes. And we are continuing the transformation now, going from silver to white, using some Plasti Dip. This is going to match the lettering really nice on the Livery, so hopefully it turns out. Sorry for the sound, I'm talking into my mask. We are now less than 24 hours away from the show, so we're grinding, trying to get this stuff done. Flap them. High beam. Damn. So guys, it's about 3 a.m. now. Just wrapped up everything. I know I didn't film much, but the finished product looks pretty sick. Damn. She's looking minty. The show is tomorrow. We got a 7 a.m. wake up, so need to get to sleep, but pretty happy with how she looks. Got a little Plasti Dip around the wheels I have to get rid of. But other than that, we're good to go.